It's happening all over Paris. You see it everywhere you look. It splashes the very air with the excitement, the dazzle, the feeling of champagne. Revlon's great new color creation that lifts red to a never-before boiling point, brilliant on lips and fingertips. Berry Bonbon. Berry Bonbon. A bright berry red that steals a little freshness and innocence from pink.
Berry Bonbon, what a color. Revlon changes the recipe for red to a new kind of double color, so it's soft and smoldering by day, brilliant, strong, and sweet by night. Berry Bonbon. Vogue calls it the fashion treat of the season. This could be you, wrapped in the luxury of Berry Bonbon, radiant in the jeweled splendor of this theater ensemble from Bergdorf Goodman. Berry Bonbon. It sets off a fashion fire with everything you wear. Berry Bonbon. It's the only double color. Bright red to bring out the slightly wicked in you, with a whisper of pink innocence for the other girl you are. So go ahead, indulge your taste for sweets with Revlon's Berry Bonbon in lipstick and nail enamel. You won't gain a thing but admirers.